Hey guys, so today's video is going to be like a rainy day get ready with me makeup look. It's basically just to get ready with me. It's just like really like rainy and cloudy today, so it's just to get ready with me with a different title. I'm gonna start with my eyes first, just in case there's any fallout. But I'm gonna go into the Makeup Revolution Soph X palette, and I will be using this, and then I'm gonna also go into the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette just for one shadow. So I'm gonna start off with using the Morphe M441 brush. I'm going into the Makeup Revolution concealer and just priming my eyes with this. Okay, so I put this color all over my crease. It got very orange very fast. It was this, what is this called? It was called Cloudberry. I like the color. It's just, I should have stopped a while ago, but it was the first time I was using this color, so I was like, okay, whatever. Now I'm gonna first go into the shade Tiramisu, which is this like purple with like a brown undertone, and I'm gonna use the AOA Studio E128 brush. Okay, so I went into this shade, which is Tiramisu, and then this shade, which is Danger. So now I'm gonna put this shade, which is Strawberry Sweets, and I'm just gonna use like a small blending brush. This is a Morphe brush, but it doesn't have a name. I don't know how this is gonna work, but we'll see. Okay, I'm gonna go into the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm gonna use this shade Glitz and Glam and just put this all over my lid. I'm just gonna use a flat shader brush. Okay, now I'm gonna move on to my face. So I'm gonna first go all in with the e.l.f. Mineral Face Primer. I haven't used this in forever. I usually just don't use face primers anymore, just because like, I don't know. I just stopped using them. I just use like moisturizer usually, just because face primers make my face, I don't really know, but I don't like it. So I'm gonna use this and I'll probably regret it later, but that's fine. I actually really like how my eyes turned out. I think they're really pretty. My face is kind of breaking out right now. I'm not exactly sure why, but it's fine. I'm gonna go in with the Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation, and I'm also gonna go in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. I'm gonna mix these two because like this on itself, like it's fine, it's a good color. I just think it makes me too like pale, and then this is like way too dark. So I'm just gonna mix them, and yeah. Okay, so I went into the Makeup Revolution concealer, and now I'm gonna go into the Lottie London Ready Set Go Translucent Setting Powder. And yeah, then I'm gonna finish up my face. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my eyes before I finish up my face. I'm just doing like, well, I'm not really doing the exact same thing. I'm just gonna use the colors that I used like in my crease and just do that under my eyes. Should I put mascara on right now? No. And yeah. Okay, so I finished up my eyes, and now I'm gonna go into the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer with a Real Techniques Multitask Face Brush and just bronze my face. And then I'm gonna go into the Balm in Full Swing Blush with the Luxie brush. And then for the my highlighter, I'm gonna use the Melt Cosmetics one in Stargazer. Okay, so I finished my face, and now I'm gonna go into the Catrice Cosmetics Long Lasting Prime and Fine Multi-Talent Fixing Spray. I used this twice, I think. I really didn't like it, but I figured I would try it again, just different foundation. So I'm gonna use that. Oh, that smells amazing. Okay, so, man, it's in my hair. Okay, so it looks fine. I mean, I can't tell, but I'm gonna see how it wears because like when I tried it once, it wore horrible. And like in 2 hours, my makeup was like, I needed to take it off. So we will see. But I'm gonna put on mascara. I'm gonna use the BH Cosmetics Bliss Slash Mascara. And then I will do my lips, and yeah. I didn't really talk any, but I had nothing to say, so. Okay, so I'm gonna do my lips now, and I'm gonna use the NYX lip liner in Peekaboo Neutral. I'm just gonna fill my lips in with this also. Okay. Now I'm going into the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Cario, I don't know. Actually, I think I'm just gonna leave it like that. I was gonna do a lip gloss, but I don't want to. Okay guys, so I'm done, finally. I have like 2.5 hours of footage, so it is gonna take me a while to edit, and I need to upload this in 2 days. So that's fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of like a rainy day makeup look, except not really. It's just like a get ready with me, except like not a chatty get ready with me because I didn't even talk. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.